I have something to confess. I think I might be addicted to making cottage cheese recipes.
I'm freaking out, man.
Now, I don't expect this recipe to get a ton of views, but this cottage cheese chicken salad is great for volume eating. Takes no time at all to make, can be made low carb, is super high in protein, and tastes delicious. So let's jump right into it. Start this one by preparing 12 ounces of chicken. If you're using a pre-cooked chicken like a rotisserie or canned chicken like I'm using today, then you're ready for the next step. And that step, shredding or breaking up your chicken. With canned chicken, I break it up quickly with my hands like this. Don't forget to drain it. If I'm using something like rotisserie, I'll also use my hands to shred that. Speaking of canned chicken, drop a comment below with how much a can costs and where you're located. I'm curious. This bigger can here, without being on sale, was $3. Moving on, keep that chicken off to the side and take out a bowl big enough to prep your mix in. Add into that bowl 2 cups of cottage cheese. Pro tip, if you don't like the texture of cottage cheese, you can whip it in a blender or food processor prior to adding it in. Continue with 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, half a cup chopped up onion, 1 cup chopped up celery, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. This is your base and tastes great. However, for texture, more flavor, and macros, I like to add in 1/4 cup of chopped up nuts. I went walnuts, 2 tablespoons dried cranberries, 1 chopped up apple, and half a cup of sliced grapes. It sounds pretty crazy, but I can promise you it's delicious if you're willing to try it. On the website, I'm also going to include some other ingredients and variations I like in this, which is always linked up here or below in the description with metric conversions. Give all those ingredients a mix until everything is incorporated, then mix in your chicken and that's it. In the end, it should look like this. There's a few ways to eat this mix. By itself, with some crackers, over greens or rice, or in a sandwich like you just saw. Speaking of the sandwich you just saw, let's play testing your guesstimating with it. How much do you think this weighs in grams? 1 guess per person, and the winner gets a shaker or shirt. The winner from our last testing your guesstimating was bang. Congratulations to you. With that said, thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up button for more high volume eating recipes. Subscribe if you haven't already, so you never miss a recipe. Don't forget to check out theproteinchef.co for all your healthy recipe needs. And of course, stay healthy.